Tell me correctly, have you ever had an experience where you proposed a girl or you asked a girl out and she rejected your proposal? Either you have taken a wrong approach or you have shown your low confidence or whatever the reason. In today's video, we are gonna talk about why she rejected your proposal. And guys, remember this thing, rejection is a part of a process. Don't take it too seriously. Just take that rejection as your learning experience so that you shouldn't do the same in the next one. And if you're constantly getting rejected by the women, then seriously bro, you need to work. So stay tuned till the end. Number 1, she is not emotionally attracted towards you. There are some women who say, I like this type of guy, like who is having six-pack abs, or he's tall, or he's rich. There are these type of women, but very less. Most of the women likes the guy who can make her emotionally connected towards them, even though if she is not physically attracted towards you. But if you make her emotionally connected towards you, then my boy, she will easily get physically attracted towards you. Believe me or not, this is true. Just tell me one thing, how many couples have you seen who is tall or having six-pack abs or having a sharp jawline? There are these couples, but very less. There are many guys who are physically attractive but single. Do you know the reason? Because they cannot make her emotionally attracted towards them. And one more thing, they were not displaying their behavioral traits correctly. Number 2, you are friend zoning yourself. Remember this thing, if she decides to friend zone you, that does not mean you cannot change her mind. You can. Actually, you have to trigger some feminism instinct within her so that she should starting seeing you in a different way. Not a guy who is too nice, who is too boring, who always say yes, who is always available. Then automatically she will only see you just as a friend, not anymore. She will always see you as a nice guy because there were no flirting, no sexual tension. And guys, once you get in the trap of friend zone, then there is 99% chance that you cannot get out of it. And by any reason, you fall in love with your female best friend. Then what are you going to do? Either you will tell her directly on her face or you will try to kiss her directly. What do you think? She'll say yes? Never ever. You will also ruin your friendship. Well, in some cases, your female friends say yes if you tell directly on her face. Please don't try to kiss her directly. But in most of the cases, she'll say no. Because there were no sexual tension, there were no flirting, there were no challenge, there were no curiosity, no excitement. So what you need to do, you need to scrutinize that if she's starting to friend zone you. And the way you can notice when she talks about dating other guys in front of you and when she always addresses you as a just friend in front of other people, then my boy, you are totally friend zoned. So guys, be aware. Number 3, low confidence. I think this is the most important thing where many guys lacks, and that's why women rejects you. I know confidence does not come instantly. It takes time and practice, then you will become confident. But this is the thing we need to work on daily basis. And when we stops, our confidence got low. There are many guys who is shy, who is afraid to talk to women, or while talking to the women, in the back of their head they keep pressurizing themselves how I continue the conversation, how to make eye contact, and you are also afraid of losing her. That's why you say yes to everything, or you're afraid of challenging her, or many more. Guys, remember this thing, as we love confident women, women also loves confident guy. Like who is not afraid of approaching her, who has the guts to ask her out and setting up everything, or who is not afraid of taking the lead on everything, like starting the interaction, or who is not afraid of challenging the women, or who is not afraid of escalate the things, but slow and steady. If you go too fast, you will fall off. Who playfully tease her, who is not afraid of losing her, and they likes the guy who is confident in himself or who is comfortable in his skin. Number 4, trying very hard. Well, this is the thing no guy should do. This is the biggest turn off. And yes, this is also a fact. As a guy, we have to put effort in everything, like what she like, what she does not like small things. But if you are trying very hard, who is always available, and when every time when she calls you and say let's go for shopping or somewhere else, you are like let's go, you leave your work and you go with her, or you are responding to her text immediately. Guys, women love chase, excitement, curiosity. That's what women crave for. It's not like that you have to sit back and relax and do nothing. That's the bullshit. But you have to understand little bit of mystery, little bit of chase, and not always available will make her miss you. And guys, please don't act like that you are in a committed relationship with that woman, even though you are not, because you just meet her. And guys, I have seen many people who do the same mistake. Like after 1 to 2 meeting, they act like they are her boyfriend and they're starting controlling her, like checking their phones, either she's talking to other guys or not. Guys, please don't do this. this will going to turn her off and she will ghost you. Last but not the least, number 5, speaking too much. I understand as a guy we have to initiate the conversation and that's vital, but you should also give her a chance so that she should speak more. Let's suppose you initiated the conversation and you asked her a question. Now let her speak, and when she complete, then you should also tell about that thing a little bit. After that, then you can ask her a second question, then let her speak, and when she completes, then you have to do the same thing. You have to tell about that thing a little bit. Now in the middle of the conversation, let her ask you a question. Let her invest in you. Once in a while it is good, and this is how conversation goes. But there are some guys who initiate the conversation, that's a good thing, but they keep talking about themselves. They started bragging about themselves. They're not even giving a chance so that women should speak. In the 20 minutes conversation, guy is speaking about himself, and in the end that will become a boring conversation, hence she will leave you. I'm going to wrap this video up here. I hope you have learned something new. If you're still watching, I really appreciate you, bro. Like my video, and if you're new, subscribe my channel and turn on your notification bell because I drop 2 new videos every single week and you don't wanna miss it. I'm gonna talk to you all in the next video. Stay happy and stylish.